What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide Instagram posts from someone else. Instagram doesn't offer a direct way to hide posts from a specific person, but there are a few workarounds to achieve similar results. First, you can make your account private. Open Instagram, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Go to Settings, and then Privacy, and toggle the private account option to on. By making your account private, only people you approve as followers can see your posts. This is the broadest way to hide your post from someone you don't want to see. If you want to hide your post from a specific person, you can block them. To do this, go to their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Block. Blocking someone will prevent them from seeing your posts, but they will know they are blocked if they visit your profile. Another method is to restrict the person. Instagram offers a more subtle way to limit someone's interaction with your content by restricting them. To restrict someone, go to their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Restrict. When you restrict someone, they can still see your posts, but their comments and likes will be hidden from everyone except themselves. They won't be able to tell they are restricted. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't provide a direct option to hide posts from a specific person without blocking or restricting them. The best ways to control who sees your posts are by making your account private, blocking the person, or restricting them. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.